What's up, fam? It's your boy Darmac, Builds and Brightwood Insurance. I'm out here on one of my job sites here. On this project, what I'm doing is, we're doing this project, but I'm also teaching, how to form up or whatever. So, got my young kings out here. Rodney is always a good teacher because he, in fact, taught me. So we're putting the forms in. And we're doing the forms here. These are 20-inch wide. Okay, these are 20-inch wide footers here and 12 inches deep. Okay. We're putting everything in. Eventually, rebar is going to go in here.
Right. Take me.
Cut me 2 more, 23.
What we need?
23? Yeah. Right there.
You need the 12 inches? What?
Right there. Boy, right here.
What you need? You need 23 what? A 2x4s?
Yeah.
No, grab that right there. Just use those for right now.
Yeah. Just gotta cut some more.
Yep, they already cut.
That's all. Lid. Hey, come back over.
That's 23.
That's what they cut.
All right, so we know that we're gonna need a lot of 23s. So, like, that's another thing. So, when you're doing this, you know that if the footer is 20 inches wide, you know you're gonna need 1.5 inches on each side because that's where you're gonna nail into the forms, right? So make sure we have a lot of these tomorrow. These,
23.
yeah. Okay. So whatever the footer is, it's 20 inches. You can always add 3 inches to it. If it's 24, those with there you go. Now you're getting it. I see it. It's not rocket science, people. And all the strings here is my batter for my batter boards. Just tell me where I need to go. So, all right. So give you an idea. All right. Let me get my plans so you guys can have an idea of what's going on here. It's always a teaching moment because if you don't teach the next generation on how to do something, I don't care about AI, whatever, it's going to do whatever it's going to do. But if you don't teach the next generation what needs to be done, then you're going to keep them out there in the wilderness. And that's not something that I'm going to do. So do as much as I can to do my part. So what I'm going to show you, is a plan where they basically are in the back. Just turn of course, you know, I'm always going to have my calculator. I have like, buy your construction materials calculator. I got like maybe 3 or 4 of those. A couple in my truck, of course in my office. You know, I'm always using that. So I'm going to my structural page, which is always, structural is always identified with an S. Okay? And you want to go through the plan. L will be what? Landscaping, maybe irrigation, but to do that. Excuse me. I'm overcoming doing a poll here, but your boy is good. All right. But if you want to really know, I know this it's probably all over the place, but as long as you hear my voice, that's all you need to hear right now. All right. So you have a cover sheet, okay? So it tells you what each page looks like and what it is. All right. So CS is cover sheet. Then you have a site plan, which is SP1, SP3, specific civil engineering details. Architectural tells you that. Begins with an A. Structural, it has an S. Mechanical is M, electrical is E, P is plumbing, all right? So that's it. That's your sheet index. It's nothing complicated by that, all right? So where they are right now is back here. This is where they were back here. And I'm going to show you that in a minute so you guys can have an idea. All right. And we'll do all our, and this WF20 is telling me that this footer is 20 inches wide, which I was telling them that they need the bracing to be actually 23 because you got to nail the supports. So this here, which is your footer forming material, doesn't move. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna show you how an idea. So let me take this with me. Trying to figure out why we're sitting. Really trying to figure it out. All right, so you see that 2x4 right there? That's 23 inches wide. You see how it's nailed into the forms? So it's like 1.5 inches because your lumber is not 2 inches by 4, okay, or 2 by 12. It's like 1.5 inches. So it's like 1.5 inches by, 11, whatever. Okay, that's when you get a 2x4. Back in the old days, it used to be 2x4s, but now it's like 1.5 inches by 3.5 or something like that. Okay, so you'll know that. But you see how this is nailed? Okay, see how that's nailed? Well, are those supposed to be for bracing? All right. No, he didn't cut them. So we got the saw here. All right. So you got the saw here. You just leave them right here and they can cut them from over here. We cut those 23. We don't need the Bob RVs. What we got over here?
We'll cut them 23.
We already got 23.
Where they at?
Right there in front of
Okay, I'm gonna tell you something. Measure them and tell me they're 23 cents. You just open your mouth and I want you to get your tape and see, because you say we got 23s. Let me see if those 23. No, go ahead, get your tape.
here.
That's 123. Where's the other 23? Okay, take those over there. That's not a 23. Okay, we can cut that. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna cut these right here. Go ahead, take that over there. Put that on the ground.
That's your mall.
Put that on the ground.
No, that got to get cut. Here, take one of these and you're going to do it like that.
We'll figure it out. Y'all focus on this, please.
How we going to get this together?
How far that goes down, Rodney, here?
This gotta go
That's
that way.
23 inches right there.
Yeah. So you're gonna put a piece. You're gonna put a piece on the back end right here, and then you're gonna
Once
go
they
back.
cut that, then we're gonna butt that.
Yeah. So we can continue to go down here,
Where? He said nothing don't go down.
right? Because you're cutting right here,
Yeah.
and then this is the patio over here.
Yeah.
The patio is right here.
Yeah.
So how far this is coming down?
How far?
Yeah. Get your tape. There's always a teacher. Okay. All right. So this is where we are right now. Here. All right. So Rodney, that over there is like 22 feet 4 inches from. That's the corner.
From the
Corner of the house. Corner house is 22 feet. So actually, if we're going another, 6 inches out,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you're gonna add 6 inches to that.
Yeah.
That's where my form is gonna be, over there. And then you're gonna come over here and you're gonna add another 6 inches.
Yeah.
That's where that form is gonna be.
Yeah.
All right. So if we already got 22, 22.4, 22.6.
Yeah.
Okay. Then so you actually go back. You got 22.10,
Yeah.
and then you're gonna add another. So you're gonna be at 23.4.
Yeah.
So we got to go 23.4 from there.
Yeah.
So take a tape from the outside of that, right there, the form. That's it. The inside of the form. The inside of that form right there. Okay. Inside that form, come all the way out. Now my tape is raggedy because y'all done lost y'all's. Okay.
This one yours?
That was mine. This is my truck.
Man, you picked this up from what y'all do, man?
That was mine. Because it was mine. Oh, that one's broke?
Yeah, that's why I know this one wasn't yours. This was Wesley's on right there broke.
Okay. My bad.
That's why I know this was yours, G.
So you need to be 23.4. It's that distance right here, Rodney. It's 23.4 from inside to inside. That's all you gotta do is go 23 from there. What's that side there, Rodney? What's that right there you doing? Yeah, but that what's that mark then? So you got 22 you got 22.4?
Yeah, let me get this right first.
Okay. Because 22.4 is actually the house.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. All right. Brando, help him with that.
Take it loose. No, you don't got to take it loose. Everybody got to be cut. It got to be cut. All right. So just go. See, can it go past a little?